If you're looking to improve dry skin and reduce wrinkles, here's a simple yet effective remedy you can try. The skin is the largest organ in your body, and anything you apply to it eventually gets absorbed and affects your health. Unfortunately, many skin products today contain harmful chemicals, and pollution, smoking, poor diet, and sun exposure all damage our skin. One of the worst things you can do for your skin is follow a low-fat diet. Your skin needs healthy fats and proteins to stay youthful and hydrated. Processed foods, especially those with refined oils like soy, corn, canola, and sunflower oil, can have a major impact on your skin. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which can cause inflammation and dryness, and they stay in your skin for years, worsening the problem. On the other hand, omega-3 oils, found in fish and olive oil, can help balance out these effects and keep your skin healthy. So, what's the best thing to put on your skin? Grass-fed tallow, or beef fat, might sound unusual, but it's actually one of the best natural moisturizers you can use. Tallow is similar to the natural oils your skin produces, and it won't clog pores or cause inflammation. It contains vitamins A, D, E, and K, plus CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, which helps retain moisture in your skin. Tallow also helps improve the appearance of dark spots and wrinkles, giving your skin a healthy glow and softness. Unlike coconut oil, which can leave your skin greasy, tallow absorbs nicely and provides a balanced moisture level. It contains a mix of saturated fats, oleic acid, a great moisturizer, and stearic acid, which helps repair and soften the skin. The small amount of omega-6 fatty acids in tallow won't harm your skin like the omega-6 oils in many commercial creams. To truly see a difference in your skin, try cutting out processed oils from your diet and using tallow on your skin for a week. You'll likely notice smoother, softer, and healthier skin. If you want even better results, consider taking omega-3 supplements like fish oil, which support skin health from the inside out. Give it a try and see how much your skin can improve with this natural, chemical-free approach.